Well, hello everybody. I'm here for my weekly update. Had a pretty bad week this week. Portfolio was down about just under 2% for the week after what appeared to be a good week to begin with. I was up quite a bit at the beginning of the week, and then it just kind of fell apart after the US Fed announced their rate cut. And that rate cut was 50 points, which kind of brought recession fears back on the table again. It's looking like the Fed did quite a bit of lying in their report. I think they know what's going on. You know, the problem is had they been really upfront with it, it would have sent the market into a tailspin. I believe that they're trying to do it gradually. They're just trying to break the news gradually to everybody, and they can get away with that. So anyway, 50 points was the cut. TMF, my number one position, had a pretty bad week, down 5.29%. So that really was the killer in my portfolio this week. And what happened there was because the Fed cut so much, there's now fears of inflation again creeping into the picture. So treasuries went up quite a bit and bonds kind of fell apart. Of course, TMF is a triple leverage bond fund, so it got hit pretty hard. Although I'm not worried about it, I know that if we do go into recession, TMF is going to soar in the end. And if we're going into a recession, the Fed could do some pretty dramatic rate cutting. And like I said, that will just send TMF to the moon. I did make a bit of a mistake by selling off 4 of my Mag 7 stocks last week. They had a pretty good week this week, and of course TMF tailed off for me. So it's, at this point it hasn't paid off, but it's still, I'm not worried about it at all. I'm pretty sure that in the end it's going to reverse. So TNA, IJH, and SoFi all up really nice for the week, and that's the small cap, mid cap stocks that I have. TNA up 5.33% for the week, and I'm now in the green on it after being about 10-12% in the red. IJH up 1.97%, and SoFi up 4.14%. SoFi has really done well for me the last couple of weeks. I'm now almost in the green on it after being down about 15, actually more than 15% at one point. So Palantir, another great week for that stock, up 3.97% for the week, and it just keeps soaring. I mean, it's just been an amazing stock for me. Tesla up 3.88% and 7.76% now for the month. So it looks like Tesla's starting to move again, and I guess that's because they have a big event. I think it's around October 8th or 10th. It's the taxi event, and I think Tesla will probably run up a bit into that event, and then of course it'll be a sell the news event in the end, and probably sell off a bit again after it. Nvidia only up 0.58%, or sorry, down 0.58% for the week. So it had a couple of good days, but it also had a couple of bad days, and it's still kind of trading sideways lately. Aritzia, one of my own of two Canadian stocks that I own, up 3.13% this week. So that's doing really well for me. It's been a great Canadian stock for me. My only other one is CP, and it's been doing well lately too. So anyway, I think that pretty much covers everything for this week. Hopefully next week is going to be a bit better, and hopefully TMF is going to make a move next week, which I'm pretty sure it probably will. It's kind of oversold lately, so it's due to make a move. Check out my updated portfolio. Hope everybody's doing well, and we shall talk to you again next week. Thanks for watching.